Felice, what are you up to?
A little this, a little that.
So we just moved in and what happened?
We just moved into our brand new house and there was so much we need to get done.
I know, it's crazy. There's rooms in this house I still haven't been in. So what have you done?
Let's take a look.
We've got so many rooms with so many outlet switches on one panel. It's like navigating a runway strip. And we can't remember which switch performs what action. It is so confusing. So to help us figure it out, I'm going to create labels to make this a little bit easier. Google is my friend, and I found 4 out of the 5 images that I like by simply doing a quick search. One for the light above the stairs, an electric socket for the switched outlet, one switch will operate one of my desk lamps, one for the ceiling fan, but the 5th icon I actually found inside Cricut Design Space software, and it'll be a light bulb that will represent the ceiling lights in the room. For this project, I'm going to be using the Cricut Joy along with a trimmer, a weeding tool, transfer tape, and check it out, glow-in-the-dark vinyl from Tech Wrap. It seems lately that we get up well before the sun rises, and glow-in-the-dark vinyl should help us see which switch is the one we want to turn on. Over in Design Space, the first thing I'm going to do is upload the images I found by doing a Google search. To do that, I'm going to click on the Upload icon in the left menu. I have 3 of the 4 images I mentioned that I was going to pull from Google already loaded into Design Space. So if you're not sure how to do that, let's load the 4th one by clicking on the Upload Image button and then Browse, and browse to the location on your computer where you have your images saved. Click on it, then click Open, and you can see a preview of the image on the left, and on the right under Select Image Type, we're going to click on Symbol and then continue in the bottom right. From here, I'm going to click on the gray background to remove it and get a transparent background, and then click Apply and Continue. Now I'm going to click on Cut Image to select that. I can rename my file if I want to, and then I can add it to one of my collections if I like, or just simply click Upload. And now you can see I have the 4 of the 5 images I mentioned pulling from Google uploaded into Design Space. I'm going to click on each one of them so that a green box highlights each one, and then click Add to Canvas. Now all 4 have been placed on my canvas. I can click and spread them out so I can get a good view of them all. Now before I do anything or resize them, I'm going to go up back over on the left under Images. Search box, I'm going to type light bulb and click the search button. A simple light bulb like this one right here, click on it and click Add to Canvas. Now I have all 5 images that I need for my project. All right, I've got the light bulb and the desk lamp are more of a portrait style image, where the house with the stairs, the outlet, and the ceiling fan are more landscape. So for the ceiling fan, I'm going to change the width to 0.5 by going under size and changing it. I'm going to click on the outlet, and I'm going to do the same thing for that. Under size, click on 0.5. And for the house, we'll do that one as well, 0.5. We don't want these to be large icons on our outlet switches, just a little hint of what each one is. But for the ones that are more portrait, like the desk lamp, instead of changing width, I'm going to change the height to 0.5. So now it's more in line with the same type of size for the other images. I'm going to do the same thing for the light bulb, 0.5, and move that over. All right. That's all I have to do. This is a really simple project. Up on the upper right, I want to click where it says Maker 3, and I want to select my Cricut Joy, and then simply click Make It. From here, I'm going to note that the size of the material I'm going to need for this project is just under 1 inch by just over 2.5. All right, so there's no other changes I need to make here. I'll just click Continue. Making a Bluetooth connection to my Joy. Once it's established that connection, I'll be able to select the type of material I'm going to use for my project. All right, so under Browse All Materials, I'm going to type in the search box Glow. Click the search icon, and then I'm going to click in on the glow-in-the-dark vinyl, and then say Done at the bottom. And now I'm ready to send my material over to the Joy to cut. Paper trimmer, we're going to go ahead and trim down our vinyl to about 1 by 3. And then we're going to take our mat, our standard grip mat, remove the protective cover, and add our vinyl on top. Open up our Joy, insert the mat. It's being loaded and scanned to make sure that it has enough material, and then it will go off and start the cutting process. Once the cutting is complete, go ahead and weed out the extra pieces and parts of the material that you don't need. You need to be careful. You have to take your time. Sometimes these are small pieces, so you might have to work with it a little bit to get everything to stick correctly. Grab some transfer tape and apply that to the top of your designs, pressing firmly to get that transfer tape to pick up those designs. Carefully peel back the transfer tape from the backing and reveal that you have all of your images stuck to your transfer tape. Then over on the outlet switch, go ahead and place each one of the designs on the right switch, and I'm using my weeding tool to make sure it gets stuck on there very well, and simply peel back so that the design is now stuck onto the switch cover. Now I'm using glow-in-the-dark vinyl, so I had to wait until it got dark outside to be able to show the final result, and here's what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? This is an easy project. Any beginner could learn to do this and have fun with it.